What if I told you that you have a better chance of finding one of these coins than you do of hitting the lottery? I'm going over multiple coins, but this coin you see right now on your screen sold for a staggering $408,000, and I'm going to tell you exactly what to look for to make sure that you never miss one of these coins. I'm going to also end the video telling you exactly what to do if you end up finding one of these coins. So this is a 1944 1 cent wheat penny. Now it's important to know that they produced nearly 283 million 1944 wheat pennies. So if you find one of these coins, you're going to need to get it authenticated and graded by a third-party company like NGC or PCGS. Those are companies I've personally used in the past and I highly recommend them. Now it's so incredibly important to use them because if you find a coin like this, nobody will buy it unless it is certified, simply because it's so rare and valuable. Now, how do you know if you have one of these coins? The easiest way that not many people know is getting your 1944 coin and seeing if it sticks to a magnet. Now, be careful because this coin is so rare that you wouldn't want the coin to strike the magnet and damage the coin, because remember, condition is so important on your coin. That's why you need to handle it carefully. So to keep a long story short, 1944 pennies like this should be struck on a bronze planchet, but this one was accidentally struck on a zinc-coated steel planchet. That's why a magnet will stick to this coin. So during the war efforts, they needed bronze for ammunition, so they transitioned into these zinc-coated steel planchets, but the 1944 coins should not look like this. If you have one of these coins, it could be worth a lot of money because this one sold for $408,000. Now the 1943 coins had just over 191 million coins produced. Now if you don't know, the S mint mark down there stands for the San Francisco Mint, where this coin was produced. This little coin sold for $504,000. It was graded by PCGS at a mint state 63 brown. Now the highest achievable grade in grading is 70, but MS63 is still a pretty good grade for this coin. If it was to grade higher, it would simply have brought more money. This coin is essentially the reverse of the previous coin, meaning that this should have been struck on a zinc-coated steel planchet, but it was accidentally struck on a bronze planchet. If you find one of these, please contact an expert. More on that in a bit. This coin sold for $840,000. Now this is the same as the previous coin, but this has the D mint mark below the date. Now a huge factor when determining the value of your coin is going to be the market. Now early 2021 we saw a surge in values for collectibles, specifically coins. This coin sold very early in the year of 2021. It was graded by PCGS at a mint state 64 brown. Now really quickly, that brown means that these coins can come in red, brown, or brown. That's either caused by aging of the coin or just how they were produced. Some of the planchets, which is a blank piece of metal, simply come brown when they're being produced. Now, most of the time, red coins will be worth more money than brown coins. So if you find one of these coins, what do you need to do? What I would do is I would contact at least 3 different coin experts and get all of their opinions. This way, you know you're going to get the full value of the coin. Next, you're going to want to get it certified by a grading company, like I said. And then finally, you're going to want to send it to an auction house, similar to how this one sold for. That way, you're going to get the most eyes on the coin when you're selling it. Like I said before, make sure you're selling it during a time that the market is accepting of high prices on the coins. You don't want to be selling in a bear market where prices are low. If you enjoyed this video, then you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen. I'll see you in the next one.